Yo, what's up? This is A4K. Today we're going to learn about some useful Korean expression just for the beginners.
돌아가는 시간 내가 틀에 박힌 사람 Mr. 1K 여기 온 이유를 그대 아나 그건 하나.
Okay, if you learn this expression, you can start communicating with the local Koreans or your Korean friends. Today I'm only going to show you the very basic expression. Most of the expression will be formal, but also I will tell you the informal expressions too. So let's get going. The first expression, of course, when you meet somebody else, hello, 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. There is a 5 syllables, 안녕하세요. And if you say it fast, you can go 안녕하세요. And if you say it a little bit faster, 안녕하세요, more naturally. This is a polite way, formal way. I will show you how you say out this word. Not only saying out with your mouth, but how you express it. When you meet somebody else or the person who you might know, first time, you just don't say 안녕하세요. You don't go like that. We go like, you take a little bow, your head, not your head. 안녕하세요. 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 Like that. You get it, right? When you meet somebody else, you also leave somebody else. Or that person could leave you. The situation is when somebody is leaving. 안녕히 가세요. It's a 6 syllable. 안녕히 가세요. Right? So when we say it faster, 안녕히 가세요. When we say it naturally, 안녕히 가세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕히 가세요.
It's a similar way. You just nod your head a little bit. When you are leaving that place, you can say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. This two expression is quite similar, a little bit different. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 가세요. 가세요 literally means go. 계세요 literally means stay. Stay safely, leave safely, interpret in that way. Just remember, 안녕히 계세요, 안녕히 가세요. Or you can also go like this. If you just mumble the last part, people won't notice it. 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. Same with hello. 안녕하세요, 안녕히 계세요, 안녕히 가세요. If you just mumble it, if you just don't know, just remember the first word. 안녕히. 안녕히 계세요, 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요, 안녕히 계세요. People won't notice. People will just understand as what it is. Now the informal way is very simple. 안녕. 안녕. For hello, you can use 안녕. 안녕. Usually you use it with your friends. 안녕. 안녕. Hi. Hello. And for goodbye, it's also same. 안녕. 안녕. But the accent is a little bit different. 안녕 is hi. 안녕 is bye. So now you know how to greet the people. Okay, very simple, right? Thank you. When you want to say thank you, 고맙습니다. Syllable, 5 syllable, 고맙습니다. Go naturally. 고맙습니다. When you want to be polite to the person, you go 고맙습니다. You just nod your head like this. 고맙습니다. And this one is a little bit tricky. Excuse me. In the textbook, you might find this word, 실례합니다. It kind of is really not easy to pronounce it. 실례합니다. 실례합니다. But this expression is not really commonly used in normal life. This is more like a textbook expression. I will tell you more natural expression. When you are trying to pass the people, the excuse me in that situation, you just say 죄송합니다. 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 Passing through 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다 literally means I'm sorry. So it's like, it's kind of similar. Sorry, passing by, sorry, like that. So you can use that, or if you're trying to take some things from somewhere else and somebody's on your way, you could say 죄송합니다 and go like that. Meaning as excuse me. There is another different situation you want to use excuse me. When you go to restaurants, some shops, and you want to call somebody else, or waitress or waiter, whoever you want to, you don't use 죄송합니다. It's not really appropriate for that situation. Usually we use 저기요. 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 여기요. 저기요. 여기요. 저기요. Usually you raise your hands too. 저기요 literally means hey there, and 여기요 literally means hey here. It is not rude, it is polite way of calling people. So you can use 저기요. Excuse me, same way. Especially you might hear a lot in restaurants that people calling 저기요.
저기요.
In Europe, it's not polite way to call the waiter or waitress, but in Korea, it's just natural to call them 저기요, excuse me, to make an order. But usually, if you go to many Korean restaurants, you might find this one.
상추 좀 더 줄래?
You can use that. Okay, that was some basic Korean expressions. If you want to know more expressions, please subscribe and smash the like button. I will come with more other expressions too. Thanks for watching.